Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Allstate Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Allstate Drivewise application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and once you open it up, tap on the search box and then type in Allstate Drivewise and then start your search. Once you find the Allstate Drivewise application, just tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Allstate Drivewise application on your smartphone. Wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when you see the open button, you can tap on it and this will open up the Allstate application on your device right away. You can then proceed with signing up to your account or logging in to your existing one in order to start using the Allstate Drivewise application from your smartphone right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Allstate Drivewise application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.